You have been asked by your instructor to write an essay or a report. Part of your assignment is to utilize sources. You might be asking yourself, what does my teacher mean by sources? When writing a paper, you must prove your point of view. You must also prove that the opposing side is wrong. To find this information, you have to search for sources, such as books, articles, or websites that are reliable. In order to determine whether or not a source is reliable and appropriate, look for certain criteria. In this video, we will focus on websites. The internet is full of many useful sites where you can find data to support your paper. However, there are some important facts about the internet to keep in mind. Anyone can write a website using whatever information they want. Also, anyone can purchase a domain, which may be misleading or confusing. This is why we must evaluate a website for reliability before using it. Determining reliability means deciding whether or not you can trust the source and whether or not it is appropriate for an academic paper. So, imagine you are writing a paper arguing that smoking should be banned because it is harmful. You find two different websites, a quit smoking article published on about.com, and the Tobacco Atlas. There are 4 areas to look at when judging the reliability of a website. 1. You should find information about the author. 2. Find the date of publication. 3. Determine the purpose of the website. And 4. Check for references. The author should be an authority or an expert on the topic. Check the author's credentials. What degree do they have? What area did they study in? Where did they work? If there is no author, who is the larger organization behind the website and what is their reputation? Now, let's take a look at the information provided on these 2 websites regarding the authors. On about.com, we learn the author of the article, Terry Martin, has little professional experience in the field of tobacco and smoking research. According to the website, her only experience is personal. On the Tobacco Atlas website, we see a different type of biography for the authors. Here, you can see that they have degrees in the field of medicine, and each are involved with professional organizations and universities. Looking for the date of publication is especially important when you are researching a time-sensitive topic. Check the date on the website. If it is old, consider whether or not something newer and more up-to-date could be available. Of course, we know that research on tobacco-related health issues is constantly being done, so searching for the date on these 2 websites is very important. On about.com, we can see that the date is from 2012. This is fairly up to date. However, we should also notice that the statistics they discuss are from 2002. When we examine the Tobacco Atlas, we can see that they have published the most recent edition in 2012. We can also see that they update information whenever possible. Determining the purpose of a website will help you judge whether or not it is an appropriate source. Websites can be purely entertainment, commercial, this means to make money, or could be written to inform. Be careful for websites that use a lot of advertisements, as they may only exist to make money from you. Take a brief look at the about.com and the Tobacco Atlas websites again. What can you tell by quickly scanning their pages? How many advertisements are there? What do you think the purposes of these 2 websites are? Finally, checking for references is very important. The website must provide references or in-text citations to show where they got their information from. If you cannot find references, then the website may not be reliable. On the final page of about.com's anti-smoking article, we can see that they use the World Health Organization as a source. However, they don't tell us where we can find this information. When you look at the Sources and Methods section on the Tobacco Atlas website, you will see that there are a number of pages which explain in detail where they retrieved their information. For more information on determining reliability, please visit the BUE Writing Center website or make an appointment to come and see us.